Health benefits of cheese. Cheese is a nutritious dairy product high in protein, fat, calcium, phosphorus, and vitamins A, K, and B. There are various types of cheese suited to different tastes, cooking needs, and dietary restrictions. Consumption trends and guidelines. Cheese consumption has increased in the US, with the average person consuming 39 pounds annually. It's recommended as part of a balanced diet, potentially lowering the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and bone fractures, although evidence varies. Health benefits. 1. Bone health. Cheese provides essential nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, protein, phosphorus, and magnesium, which support strong bones and may reduce fracture risk. 2. Heart health. Linked to a lower risk of heart disease, but it is advised to choose low-fat or fat-free varieties due to high saturated fat and sodium in many cheeses. 3. Gut health. Contains probiotics that aid digestion and protect against harmful microorganisms. 4. Dental health. May reduce tooth decay and protect enamel due to its high calcium content. 5. Blood sugar management. High in protein and fat, cheese has minimal impact on blood sugar levels. It also contains CLA, which may help reduce blood sugar and cholesterol. 6. Muscle gain. Rich in protein, beneficial for muscle building, especially post-exercise. Nutritional content varies by type. For example, cheddar cheese is high in fat, protein, calcium, and sodium. 1 slice, 28 g, of cheddar provides 113 calories, 9.32 grams fat, 183 milligrams sodium, and 6.41 grams protein. Risks. High saturated fat. Excessive intake can increase heart disease risk. Low-fat options are recommended for those at risk. High sodium can contribute to heart disease. It's important to choose lower sodium options like mozzarella and cottage cheese. Lactose intolerance and allergies. Those with sensitivities should opt for lower lactose cheeses or avoid cheese altogether. Consumption tips. Cheese enhances flavors in various dishes. For lower lactose options, consider cheeses like goat cheese, brie, and feta. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining quality, with different guidelines for soft and hard cheeses. Summary. Cheese is a versatile dairy product with numerous health benefits, supporting bone, heart, gut, dental, and muscle health. It is important to choose the right type and amount of cheese based on individual health needs and dietary guidelines.